off the mountains.
Did you? How far?
I don't know how far it was.
How high up was it?
It was way up
3,000 feet, like?
It's hard to tell.
And I've seen a fried shrimp place here. Just like work.
I like grilled shrimp. I don't like fried shrimp.
I've tried the grilled shrimp at my work. I just can't get over the texture.
Yeah, it's probably
Popcorn?
overdone.
Yeah. I don't know. The popcorn shrimp. Man, I would love to live in one of these houses just right next to the ocean.
That it would be so incredible. Even when a hurricane came, I'm like, I'll evacuate.
I'll look a fire truck. So, I don't think I need them because I don't really want to get in the water. I just want to walk in it.
Yeah, well,
That's so cool. Like, these are all broken shells. Let's go. Ouch. That's sharp. Yeah. It was right there. Just a little thing scurried across the water and then just dug into the ground.
low tide is
3 p.m.
and right now it is
10:37.
oh, we got a long way to go.
Are you staying here this whole time? They run away from the water. It's cute. How's that water? How's that? It's really cool to watch them just all at once do a 90-degree dive.
Right now is low tide.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man,
Very, very sleepy.
shoot. That's a lot. We eating outside or inside?
Outside, sure.
Going to look for golf balls. The hammock's in the corner. Oh, you gotta move it. You want me to help you? Oh, why did I volunteer? You were supposed to say no, I got it.
Look what Nana did. She painted those from just an oyster. It's really cool.
And he didn't touch him until that was gonna be his retirement. But now he's got more money than he knows what to do with.
I saw a thing on Facebook. It said, I don't want to be a millionaire, but I just want to be at that level of rich where I'm not mad at the prices of beef jerky.
There you go. And this would get you there. Even if you didn't have a retirement, if you never touched that money.
Back for passenger.
I like how he says, in God we trust, too. I mean, they had to put that on. It's not like it came with the license plate. They put that on.
I love the dolphin one. We're looking for cords. What are those?
He's
Beach
digging
anchor.
for the beach.
I
for
see.
your, little beach chair. More shovels.
I think it's in my purse.
Oh, we could probably got another one here, but
We We got that at that one store.
Where is she? You said that last time.
Cool. Well, they're going to pick something up, and I can't come because the car hasn't opened up, like back. The back seat folds down. I mean, these are all my shells. Got some oysters. This is what Nana did. Why is my phone there? Nana made. She painted them gold, and I really love them. She put. Oh, where's the? I don't know. At the store earlier, I bought. Dropping my phone. At the store earlier, I bought this stuff. It's like fishing line, kind of. It's a. So I bought that, and I bought a pack of. Don't know where I set them, but I bought a pack of little rings so I could tie on. For that reason, so I could tie onto the end like that, and then I could pin that on my wall and have a line of. That'd be cool. I had them all strung up, but they were like just randomized, and I want to do biggest to smallest because I feel like that'd look cooler. So right now I gotten all the big ones down. I gotta get small ones now. I'm holding the string with my mouth, but basically it looks really cool and I love it. And I'm gonna hang it on my wall when I get back to Michigan. Yeah. They don't look as cool when they're not spread out, but I can't spread them out with two hands because I need one hand to record and one hand to hold it. I'm in their backyard. I'm just chilling. Chilling like a villain. Where is it? I don't see it anywhere. Alright. Cool. There's people walking. What are they doing? Well, I've been sitting out here editing videos and deleting old pictures and stuff that I don't need because my Google account ran out of storage. So that's what I'm doing right now. Nana and Papa still aren't back. So I'm just relaxing.
Probably still not working.
Just got out of the shower. This was day 2. I feel like I was just in bed like 2 hours ago. It's crazy. Time's flying already. Yeah, see you in the morning. Also, look at my sweatshirt. Oak Island, North Carolina. Love it.